So hello there guys, it's Sam again with another video review. Today we are going to make a video review on some earbuds. These are from a company called Tranya. This specific model it's called Rymor. So this one is true wireless headphones. It uses a 10mm, over here on the bottom you can see 10mm drivers. It has touch sensitivity on both left and right earbuds. We have high definition audio, quite a big battery for the size, and it has IPX, I think 5. So yeah, so this is the actual box. This is the back. And on the sides some more info. So let's open the box. It has this little really nice package. So first, this is how it comes, with the manual and the actual accessory box and Tranya charging station. So first things first, here we have 50 months guarantee from Tranya, a little hello Tranya sticker, another sticker, and the actual manual. So let's step into the actual product. So let's first take out the accessory box. I guess we have the cable. Yeah, that's really nice. They use a Type-C connection. That's really nice. And we have some changing replacement pads. If you want bigger or smaller ear caps. So yeah. Next, we have the actual Tranya magnetic charging station. This is how it looks like. On the front we have 4 LEDs. We have 25% on every single LED indicator. On the back we have the Type-C charging port, and on the bottom some more info about this one. So by opening the actual case, we can see the earbuds. This indicates that this one is now charging. Don't know if you can see it. Let me see. Yeah, both is now charging. You can see the little LED also over here. Yeah. So whenever you take this out, it automatically turns on, so it's quite easy also to connect, because these two connect automatically on its own. So if you want also to check out the actual remaining battery of the box, just take this inside the case and you can see it's now fully charged. Also it automatically turns off the earbuds, so it starts charging. If you want to put it on the charger, you will see, let me show you, just like that. So it's now charging. When the last LED stops flashing, it's fully 100% charged. So this one, I think it takes, you can use it for 6 up to 8 hours, if I'm not correct. Yeah, 6 up to 8 hours if you want to hear music, and the charging time is 1.5 hours for charge. Also we have a voice assist, so if you long touch more than 5 seconds left over the right earbud, you have automatically Siri or whatever voice assistant you use on your smartphone. It has an IPX5, so we have it's not waterproof but water resistant somehow, dust proof. And also we have a 15 milliamps battery on each earbud and 500 milliamps on the charging station over here. So these are the actual, let me show you. So it automatically opens when you take them out, and these are the actual earbuds. So by just opening your Bluetooth on your smartphone and finding Rymor, you can see it's automatically connected. You can see the actual battery life, and let me show you another cool thing. Of course you can answer by just touching, for just one touch, answer the calls, left or right, whatever you want. Long press for more than 2 seconds to close the actual call. Also, if you want to change any songs you are playing, long press left for previous, right for next song, etc. So if you want also to pause the actual song, just press once and you can automatically pause the actual music. Yeah. Next and last, if you want to volume up or down, double touch, left for decrease the volume, double touch the right one, double touch if you want to increase the actual volume. Okay, so yeah, the actual bass on this one is really nice. We have a really good noise cancellation. As you can see, it's tiny on my ear, doesn't stick out a bit. Also the touch controls works really good. So yeah, that's a really nice and unique design. I'm actually impressed how they fitted 10mm on these tiny earbuds. So that was the Tranya Rymor. I hope I helped you a little bit with this video review. I will put also a little song now to play next to the actual microphone to hear the actual product. So thanks again for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.